What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we caught this movement to the upside that brought us about 9.6% of potential profit. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, at the recent swing low of SOFI's price action, and I've told you at this very moment that we formed a bullish divergence. It is the sign when you can see the higher lows on RSI with the lower lows on the price action. And this sign, this pattern shows the potential trend reversal, and we had to unload the entire movement from this top to this lowest point. And because of this, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top, as you can see, to this bottom. And I marked two main levels that we might hit in order to unload this structure. First one was at 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $4.86. And we hit this price target to the tick. Congratulations to all of you who took my call and who entered the position right here. And the second price target was less probable but still possible at $5.12 mark at 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. We didn't hit it, but we still have about 25 to 30% probability to hit it in upcoming sessions. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news, and let me show you what was the most recent news directly related to SOFI. First of all, let me show you that SOFI is about to launch their options trading, and let me show you the official Twitter of SOFI Technologies. SOFI published this tweet on November the 30th, and it is the answer on the question when will be the options trading available. And the answer is following. Now you can. Options are rolling out over the coming weeks. Level up your investing game on a user-friendly platform that comes with an in-app trading guide and content hub of articles and videos. And definitely it is a very good sign that improves its fundamentals, because with options trading, SOFI will be able to increase their daily active users, weekly active users and monthly active users as well. And this leads to much higher adoption of potential new features, and this will lead to much higher sales in general. Definitely it is a very good sign, and this news was one of the reasons why this asset bounced to the upside for about 10%. Next one, let me show you this news. It is not the best news, but we have to know all the news directly related to company. And on December the 1st, timesofisrael.com published this news. US loan company SOFI pulls ad after criticism in features in anti-Semitic stereotype. Creators say character supposed to fit archetype of professor, not a Jewish banker, but withdraw ad out of abundance of caution, given the current rise in anti-Semitism. So, definitely it is not the best news, and I have to say that it cannot affect the price of SOFI, in my opinion, because they didn't have bad intention when they launched this advertisement. And because of this, I don't think that this is a negative fundamental news for SOFI. So, let me show you some bullish news, and let me show you this article that was published one day ago on Investor Place. And it's titled, "Buy the SOFI stock deep for 29x gains in 10 years." The subtitle is, if I'm right, there are dozens of 10x stocks in the market today, but none perhaps better than SOFI stock. And the key bullets are following. SOFI has durable competitive advantage, which will allow it to turn into the Amazon of finance. Durable user growth combined with the durable average revenue per user growth on top of a talented team that will only make this product better over time means SOFI realistically projects as the bank of the future. By 2030, SOFI stock could rise more than 29x from current levels. And I have to say that in general I am bullish on SOFI, but I don't like this type of forecasts, because it is a very long-term forecast, in a matter of next 8 years this asset should rise for more than 29x, and this means I don't think that anybody can even remember this article in 2030, and that's why it is very easy to make this type of predictions. And I have a lot of doubts why it is only 29x, why not 30 or 28x, and definitely it make me laugh a bit. And I prefer to do one step at a time. I prefer to project some shorter targets in order to achieve more profits with the cumulative approach. So, and let me show you another quite bullish sign. We are on fintel.io, and this website tracks the activity of institutional investors in certain asset, and we are on SOFI webpage, and as you can see, the most recent filings that was made on November 29th shows the interest, very good interest from Vanguard group, and as you can see, they added their position by 10.63%, 6.16%, 8.75%, and right here 5.84%. And the overall position is quite high, more than $53 million, more than $2 million, more than $107 million. And definitely this activity shows the credibility from major institutional investors to this asset. This means, in my opinion, it might be a very good upside potential in a medium and long-term perspective. On top of that, let me show you another news, quite neutral. On December the 1st, Morgan Stanley published their analysis on SOFI, and they lowered the price target with equal weight rating. And the price target previously was $7 and becomes $5 mark, with an upside potential of just 5.5%. Definitely it is not the best forecast, but in general it is still possible, and the consensus analyst price target is still quite high at $9.83, which implies about 109% of upside potential. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from the price action? Definitely, if we caught this movement to the upside, it doesn't mean that we cannot break the lower range, this range of support at $4.43, and it doesn't mean that we cannot go lower. In this case, if you want to catch the trade, if you want to catch the long position, let me first of all pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its lowest point of this retracement to its highest. As you can see, we had a very good bounce again out of the golden pocket range. And we technically broke it to the downside on the hourly time frame and almost hit the next range of 0.786. But still, this movement to the upside might be quite good short-term sign that this asset can go higher. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? First of all, let me show you that if you are a long-term holder, the ranges below $5 mark is very attractive fundamentally, because it has much more chances to hit higher targets than to hit lower targets from the $5 mark. And this means in a medium and short term perspective, most likely we will see the next leg to the upside. But definitely we also have the possibility to see lower price action, and this means if you want to enter your position, just put your stop loss slightly below this bottom. And if you want to catch the trade, you have to wait for more confirmation, because if this asset breaks this previous swing high, we'll pretty much confirm the next leg to the upside that probably might hit again $5.12 mark. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium